Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see how to download and set up VS Code for compiling C programs. You can also compile C++ programs with this. So for downloading VS Code, just go to your browser and search for VS Code for Windows. Go to the first link and you can see the download option here. Once the file got downloaded, just run the executable file and click on I accept the agreement. Click on next, 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 and check all the boxes here. Click on next, install. It will take some time to process the installation. Now it has successfully installed. Click on finish button. So this is the starting window you can see, and you can open the folders from here. You can create and select a folder, creating demo C. So click on the checkbox and click on this button. You can create new files from here. You can give names from here. But for running C programs, you must have to download a compiler. So for that we can use MinGW GCC compiler. For downloading MinGW compiler, go to Chrome, type MinGW, type MinGW download for Windows. Click on this link. This is from SourceForge. You can click on download button. After the file is downloaded, you can run the executable file. Click on install. Please do not change this installation directory and click on continue. After the process has finished, click on continue button. And here in this window, you can select all of this, mark for installation. And click on installation, apply changes. Click on apply. It will download all the required packages. So with this we have successfully installed MinGW compiler. Close this dialog box and close the window. Now let's open CMD. When you type for GCC compiler, you can see here it is not recognized. So for fixing this problem, you must have to set path in system variables. So for that, go to this PC, C drive, MinGW, and this bin folder. So this is the folder where all the executable files are present. So we have to set this path in our path variable. Just copy the path and go to environment, variables, click on path, edit, click on new and paste the path here. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see, if you have already opened this, just close it and reopen. Now you can check the version. If you got this, you have successfully got installed GCC compiler in your system. To test the working, go to VS Code. You have to install some extensions. Go to extensions section and search for C C++. So this is the thing you have to install, and also you have to install one more thing, that is code runner. Prettier, this is also a good extension for formatting the code. You can also install this if you want. These extensions help the programmer to write code quickly. Let's write a sample C code. #include stdio.h int main printf hello world and return statement. So this is the sample code of C. You will have this option run code, so you can see the output here. And every time when you run the code, before running you have to save the code first. So with this we have successfully set up our Visual Studio Code for C programming. Thank you for watching.